is a dashboard? Okay, in the data science, here when we call dashboard, then we can take it as visual representation. But generally, see, when in your four-wheelers also, cars or buses or other things, a dashboard will be shown. In the dashboard, the key things, key information would be shown, isn't it? Like your what is the speed, or how much how much distance the fuel will be coming for. You can use the fuel. What is the gear you are using? Okay, all those key metrics would be shown in the dashboard, isn't it? So dashboard is meant for displaying the key information generally. See, all of there is no point in displaying all the information, right? Then any dashboard would not be sufficient. Okay, so for that, since the space in the dashboard is very, very limited, so only the key metrics or key information is displayed in dashboard. Dashboard is generally, how it is defined is, dashboard is a single frame having single frame report, or you can tell it as single frame, where you can see all the key information. Okay, it can be in the form of visuals or in the form of numbers or text, anything. Okay, it is single frame. Single frame is something like whatever your screen size is, say laptop or computer, or if you have big screens, big TVs, that screen. Okay, so it is a single frame where all the key information is shown. Okay, it is shown in visual forms and also sometimes a text format also, like the key metrics, generally total sales, total profit, those kind of things are shown in as text values. They will be shown at the top portion here. Okay, so there are few things to consider before designing any dashboard. Okay, so what are the few things, guys, which you need to consider before creating any dashboard? How do you start? How do you start a dashboard? The starting point always will be, what is the problem that we are trying to solve? Okay, like what we want to show, what kind of dashboard do we want to show? Okay, is it a strategic dashboard? There are different types of dashboards available, like few types are strategic dashboard, that is meant for top level people, especially CEOs and also the top management. And next we have the operational dashboards. Okay, operational dashboards are meant for middle level management. Okay, and there are detail level dashboards also for other people. So you can choose the type of dashboard you want based on your audience. Okay, so first thing you need to know, whenever you are trying to design any dashboard, first thing you want to know is, like, who is the audience? Whom are we building this dashboard for? Okay, this is the first step in creation of any dashboard. Is it clear? Is this clear, guys? First, know the audience. Okay, who is your audience for the dashboard? Is it your manager or your CEO or your client or the shop floor people? Who is your audience? Okay, first know the audience. Second step is to identify their requirements. Okay, what do they want us to show in the dashboard? Like what kind of information, what kind of key metrics, or in what visualizations they want us to show. Okay, so that is second step, what information to be shown. And third step is what kind of visuals do we want to use? Like, do we want to show in bar graphs or pie charts or donut chart or tree map, okay, or line chart? What are the different kinds of charts that we are going to build in this dashboard? That is third important. Okay, and fourth thing is your formatting and bringing comprehensiveness into the report. Like the entire dashboard should be appealing, and the colors, text, everything should be compatible with each other. There should not be too much contrast between the visualizations or text. Okay, so they should be compatible, complementing each other. Okay, so these are the certain aspects that you need to keep in mind before start of the designing of dashboard. Is it clear now? So in Power BI, what happens is, as you are aware, okay. So in Power BI, these individual pages, okay, these individual pages put together, they form the Power BI report. Okay, so the individual page can have a single visualization or multiple visualization. So these individual visualizations, they form the page, and the pages form the reports. So this is one report. Okay, all these put together, all these pages put together becomes one report. And this is in Power BI desktop. Okay, this is Power BI desktop. Now here in Power BI desktop, we don't have Power BI dashboard. Okay, so Power BI dashboard is created in the online version, that is Power BI service or Power BI online. So now what we will do is, we will export this particular report to Power BI service. So in Power BI service, again, you need to have an account there. That is again with your non-generic email ID or some organizational or business email ID. Okay. So there, if you try to open an account using your Gmail or Yahoo Mail, it will not work. Okay. Now, let's just export this. So all of you, please pay attention as we are seeing how to export from Power BI report to Power BI service. Okay. So in the home tab, are you able to see this publish? Publish option is there, share. Okay. So here you can click on this publish. So when you click on this publish, it will ask for your credentials in the Power BI service. Okay. So you need to provide your credentials, login credentials into Power BI online services. Okay. So since I have already logged in, it's not necessary. So I can directly publish. So just click on publish. So now it is establishing connection, and it is asking us to save changes. Yes, save. Now it will ask for report name. Say let's put sales dashboard. Okay, demo. Is it clear? So let us save this. Okay. So now, since I have already logged in, it is not asking again my credentials for logging into Power BI service account. Okay. So here, now it has established the connection between Power BI desktop and Power BI online service. Okay. So here the workspaces are shown. Okay. So select a destination. Here, if there are many workspaces, you can select by searching here. Okay. So if you have different workspaces, okay, so you can select one of them appropriately based on your context or based on for whom are you designing that particular dashboard. Okay. Okay, let us select this my workspace. So let us select. Okay, now it is publishing. You can see PBIX file. It is publishing to Power BI. Okay, you can see here. Okay, it has written success. That means this particular report has been successfully exported to Power BI online. Okay, or Power BI service. Is that clear? Now we'll go to the see how creative it is. It is asking enjoying Power BI desktop so far. Okay, let us select. Okay, yes. Now it is asking for rate us. Let's do it later. Okay. Now let's go to the Power BI service here. Okay. Now let us just refresh this my workspace. Okay. So here you can see the latest ones. Okay. Now here in the workspace, okay, you will be having my workspace. Just a moment. So here my workspace is there. So in my workspace, I have these many reports and dashboards and also the data sets. Okay. So this indicates the data set. You can see. And now whatever we have created, this is the owner. Okay. And the type of document. What is the type? It is a report and it is a data set. And if you scroll down, you can also see dashboards. Okay. These are the dashboards. So now you can see the date. So here, next refresh, endorsement, sensitivity, all those things are there. Now, let us just click on this particular report. Okay. So it is loading the report. Now you can see all the pages are available here. Are you able to see different pages? All the pages in the Power BI report are shown here. You can toggle between them. You can navigate. You can just select funnel chart, bar chart. Okay. And just keep selecting those things. Okay. So this is how you create and export the reports to online service. Okay, Power BI service. Now, how do we create a dashboard out of it? Okay. Now, in order to create a dashboard, what we need to do is, now here each individual visualization, including these uh, slices, they are called tiles. Okay, are you all getting? Each individual visualization is called a tile. This is another tile, this is another tile. Okay. So how do we create a dashboard? So you can just select any visualization, and here triple dots are there. So just click on that. Just a minute. Yeah. Are you able to see this particular pin? All of you? For any visualization, you will have this pin now. When we have exported this report into Power BI service, okay, so this pin will be available. So you can click on this pin to add this pin, add this visualization to a dashboard. Okay, you can click on this pin to add this visualization to the dashboard. So just select or click on this pin. Okay, now all of you remember, now we are going to create a dashboard here. Okay, so here it is asking, where would you like to pin to? Okay, do you like to attach it to an existing dashboard, or you want to create a new dashboard? Okay, it is asking us this question. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll create a new dashboard. Okay, new dashboard. So it is asking for name of the dashboard. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll provide name as sales DB demo. Okay, is it okay, everyone? Let's have the same name as report, sales DB demo. Is it clear how we are creating a dashboard in Power BI service? So now we can pin, just select pin. So just select this pin. Okay, now here you can see pin it to dashboard. The visualization has been pinned to your dashboard. Okay, so now we can see there. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, here we have this. Okay, sales DB demo. So just click on this. So we have one visualization attached to it. So this is the dashboard, guys. Okay, so what we will do is we'll go to that particular report and we'll add more visualizations to this dashboard. Okay, sales DB demo. So we can add more visualizations. Just select this. Okay, add. Okay, sales DB demo pin. So here we can go to the dashboard. We can create a mobile layout also. Okay, so we'll add this also. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. Okay, now you can see the dashboard. Are you able to see the dashboard? Okay. Now we can bring, yeah, we can bring the visualization from multiple pages, okay, or multiple reports also. Okay, let's also add this funnel chart to the dashboard. Okay, you can see funnel chart also. Now we have added visualizations from multiple pages. Now what we will do is we will add the visualizations from other reports as well. Okay, multiple reports. So what we will use is, let us just take it from sample dashboard. Okay, this visualization we will use. Okay, so let us pin it to this sales DB demo. So let's go to the dashboard. So here you can see, okay, sales by segment. Are you all following how to, add different visuals to the dashboard? We can add it from multiple pages and also from multiple reports. The reports may be connected or may not be connected. Okay. Reports may be from same dataset or different dataset. Is that clear? So here, this is the dashboard. Then, so we have done this, pinning a tile to Power BI dashboard from a report. Power BI publisher we'll see for Excel. So pin an entire report page to Power BI dashboard. So let us just try that out. And let us just have this. Okay. So are you able to see this option? Now in this particular page, this is another report, Power BI report. Okay. So we have two visualizations. Okay. So instead of adding each visualization, or instead of adding one by one, okay, what we can do is we can add the entire page to the dashboard. So here we can just pull down this drop down menu, and here are you all able to see this pin to a dashboard? Okay, so just select this pin to a dashboard. So whatever visualizations are there in this particular page, all those things would be attached to the dashboard that we are going to select. So pin to a dashboard. Now here you can select existing dashboard or new dashboard. So let's add to the existing dashboard, sales DB demo. Okay. Okay. So here you have this option pin live. Earlier it was only pin. So now it is pin live. Pin live page enables changes to reports to appear in the dashboard tile when the page is refreshed. Okay. So whenever that particular page, this page is refreshed, these changes will be reflected in the dashboard. That is pin live. Okay. That is pin live. Now we can go to the dashboard. So you can see this. This is from filters new report and duplicate of page 1. This is the page name. Okay. Are you all getting? So we have got 2 visualizations. Is it clear? Multiple ways of creating dashboard you need to be aware of. Okay. So dashboard you can create from, tiles. Okay. Are you getting? Individual visualization. Tile is nothing but individual visualization. Okay. So you can pin each of the tile to the dashboard. That is one way of doing it. You can also pin entire page. Okay. Are you getting? You can pin entire page. You can also pin entire report. So these are the 3 ways of doing it. So we can just try the other one, report. Okay. Here, are you getting into a dashboard? Okay. This is view options. This is marking. So here you can pin this to the dashboard. Okay. So this page level filter only has come from the filters bookmark report. Okay. Now we will see how to add images to this dashboard. So here, are you able to see this triple dot? So just pull down this. No, just yeah, settings. LTB demo. Yeah. So in the edit here, just a moment. Yeah, in the add tile. So here, are you able to see? We can add these media files. Okay, web content, image, text box, video. We can upload anything into the dashboard. Okay. So here you can select, say, some image. Okay, just click on this. So real-time data, custom streaming data also can be embedded. Okay, click on next here. So here it will ask for a display title. Say, let's say image. Okay. Now we need to provide an URL here. Okay, the web address. So let us just give one website address. So here you can see these images are changing dynamically. So let me just copy this particular web address. Okay. So here I am providing this web address. Okay. So just apply here. Okay. Now you will be able to see this. Are you all able to see the image here in the dashboard? So this way we can add, we can import the images or media files from any website to Power BI dashboard.